Malo Kropi honored with Tribal Fashion Show and Women Empowerment Award. Malo Kropi, director of Karbi Anglong Fashion Week, received the prestigious Tribal Fashion Show and Women Empowerment Award at Habtoor Palace in Dubai on July 5th. Yaqoobal and Amina Konate from the Ivory Coast presented the award, acknowledging her outstanding contributions. Malo Kropi dedicated the award to her spouse, Sri Devojit Rongpi, for his positivity and support, and thanked her family and well-wishers for their encouragement. She also expressed gratitude to Sabina Teronpi for her kindness. This award recognizes Malo Kropi's dedication to promoting tribal fashion and empowering women through Karbi Anglong Fashion Week. The platform has showcased indigenous designers and models celebrating tribal culture. Malo Kropi's work has made a significant impact, inspiring others to pursue similar endeavors. The award ceremony celebrated Malo Kropi's achievements, highlighting her commitment to tribal fashion and women empowerment. Her efforts have paved the way for others to follow in her footsteps, promoting diversity and inclusivity in the fashion industry. Malo Kropi's passion and dedication have earned her this prestigious recognition.